Good morning, grade 8. Today we are going to start lesson 2, chapter 5, the transfer of heat. What's heat? We mentioned in lesson 1, heat, thermal energy that transfer from warmer object to the cooler object. So heat is transferred from warmer areas to cooler areas by 3 ways. So we have 3 ways to transfer heat: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction, transferring of heat through solid. Okay? Conduction, transferring of heat through solid. What's meant by conduction? Conduction transfers heat from one particle of matter to another with an object, or between two objects. Yes? Look at frying egg. Frying egg in a pan or in a pot. Look. The pan made of metal. Metal is a good conductor material. So transfer heat from the oven to the egg or to the food as general. So the transferring of heat through the pan by conduction, or the transfer of heat to the egg by conduction. Yes? Other way the heat is transferred from warmer to cooler by convection. Convection occurs only in fluids. When I speak about fluid, I mean air or water. Fluids, air or water. Convection occurs only in fluids such as water and air. What happens when air is heated? The particles speed up, move faster, yes, and move farther away. And what happens to it? It becomes less dense. Less dense means light. So it rises up. Okay? What happened to the cooler air? Down. Cooler air is denser. Yes? So it flows and heats up again, acquire energy or gain energy, and then becomes light and less dense, so it rises up again, and so on until all particles gain thermal energy, and this is flow creates convection current. The particle that gain the energy rises up, and the cooler one, which is less denser, flow down and heats up again and rises up, and so on until all particles with thermal energy with the same temperature. This is flow called convection current. Convection current cause wind and weather changes. Yes, convection currents in air cause wind and weather changes. The third way by heat transfer, radiation. Radiation is the transfer of energy or transfer of heat energy by electromagnetic waves. So this way need electromagnetic waves. Okay? The radiation way needs electromagnetic waves to transfer the heat by radiation. Okay? So electromagnetic waves, I mean sunlight. Yes? Sunlight, I mean the light as general. Fire, yes? These electromagnetic waves. So radiation is the only form of heat transfer that does not require matter, because you mentioned now sun energy or sunlight. Sunlight pass to us through space, through vacuum, no medium, no matter, no particles of air. So it doesn't need particle to transfer the thermal energy or to transfer the heat. Yes? so electromagnetic waves through its radiation happen. Radiation is the only form of heat transfer that does not require medium or matter. Sun's energy travels to Earth through 150 million kilometers of empty space. So the energy of sun reaches to us, okay, by radiation. The heat energy by radiation, okay, or electromagnetic waves of sun transfer to us. Yes, we can feel the radiation from a fire without touching the flame. Yes, why? Because this fire, electromagnetic waves. Yes, it's a type of electromagnetic waves. So I can feel the radiation from fire without touching the flame. Okay, we have pizza inside a big oven. Yes, big oven. Look, the pizza touches the surface, the metal surface. Yes, this is conduction transferring, and the warm air above the pizza. This is make convection current. The hot one rises up and cold one falls down and rises again and becomes dense and rises, and the colder one denser than the hotter one, so it falls down and until convection current formed. Yes, this is convection directly above the pizza. What about radiation? Away. Look at electromagnetic waves that come from fire. Electromagnetic waves that come from fire. This is make a radiation wave to transfer heat to the pizza. So the heat surrounds pizza from all directions. Heat surrounds the pizza from all directions because above it convection, down conduction and radiation from all directions. Yes, due to electromagnetic waves, it doesn't need main direction. No main direction because it doesn't need a medium. Yes, to travel. Look at this example. Look at the conduction through stick, metal stick. The heat over fire can transfer through the metal stick by conduction, and also the heat can transfer to the hands by convection, and also directly above because the direction of the particles above rises up above the lighter one, and the denser one falls down and gain energy and rises up again, and so on. But what about radiation away from the fire? Away, yes, radiation away from the fire. Because no main direction doesn't need a main particles to transfer, so radiation is a way to transfer heat particles to the hands. Radiation is a way that the particles of the fires or the heat energy of the fires transfer to the hands. This is the lesson of transfer of heat by three ways: conduction, convection, and radiation. Conduction through matter and through solid matter, convection through fluid, and radiation by electromagnetic